Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we are looking at the Appliance Wonder Oven Pro, an 8-in-1 digital air fryer and countertop oven designed to streamline your cooking. This appliance promises to do it all, from air frying to baking, with impressive speed and capacity. First up, let's dive into the core cooking power and the impressive range. With 8 distinct cooking functions, including air fry and even proofing, this oven offers incredible versatility, allowing you to tackle. The oven boasts a 40% faster cooking time and can reach up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, leveraging 360-degree convection. Its spacious 32-quart interior with 3 rack levels makes it perfect for family-sized meals and meal prepping, handling larger quantities. This oven truly excels in its multi-functionality and efficient cooking capabilities, offering a comprehensive solution. Next, let's examine the design choices, how easy it is to use, and what. The new digital touchscreen panel offers precise control over time and temperature, making it incredibly intuitive and user-friendly for all. Constructed from stainless steel, this oven includes a comprehensive set of premium accessories like a bake tray and air fry. Priced at $349, this countertop oven sits at a premium level. Its extensive features provide value, but the thoughtful design and included accessories enhance usability, though the premium price point requires careful consideration. The Appliance Wonder Oven Pro clearly aims to be the central hub of your kitchen, offering impressive versatility with its 8 cooking functions and a solid 32-quart capacity.